Hi guys, in this tutorial I will be talking about how you can delete applications on your iPhone and iPad. There have been recent changes in the iOS update and I will also be covering them. So it is quite easy to do. First of all, you need to find the applications you want to delete. So for example, I want to delete this Godus game. And there are a couple of ways you can do this. First of all, I will hold my finger on the app icon and then you can see remove app or edit home screen. So remove app will open up this button straight away, but alternatively you can press edit home screen and then you will be able to see this minus at the top left corner. I press that and then I will be prompted with a new screen, which would also prompt if I would have pressed remove app in the previous option. And here you can see you have two different options: remove from home screen and then delete app. So deleting app will remove it entirely, and this was the same as before. However, they have added a new option, remove from home screen. What this will do is that it will remove the icon from the home screen, but it will not delete the application itself. And if I go to the right side, the right screen here, I will be able to still find this application even though it has been deleted from the home screen. So it might look like it has been deleted, but in actuality it has not. So beware of this option as well. So press remove app, and in order to delete it, you would simply press delete app. It will ask, deleting this app will also delete its data. Press delete and then the application has been deleted. So I hope that this tutorial has been useful and there is some clarification between the two options when you are deleting the applications. If you have found this useful, please leave a thumbs up. This will help me out to reach a larger audience and more people will be able to see this tutorial. And have a great day and hopefully see you guys in another video.